Hey, yo. You see this stuff here? This stuff, this is what they use to peel the back of fish. You use it to peel the back of your fish. Do you know that I have this hammer for good many years? The other side has already broken up. The other side, we use it for meat, which is I use it to break something, coconut, the other kind. So it broke up. This part was broken and broken up. Then, I didn't know that I was using my knife to remove the skin of fish. I never know that this part was made to remove the skin of fish. It is my husband that not told me this year that no, Abby, this thing, don't use knife anymore. This thing is made up. It's made to remove skin. Okay, whether I kanda or skin or fish. I said, really? I don't trust you. Let me try it. When I try it, oh my gosh. When I try it, I said, really? So I was a mumu. A mumu is for many years without me knowing technology. Technology. I'm a village girl. So it helps you to remove your fish, kanda or back, or I don't know the names in English, quickly. So just watch as I'm doing it, okay? Okay, so this is how I do it. This is how it works. You see? Hey, yo, baby. Hey, yo, baby. Is it not working fine? Oh, every day someone learn new things. Every day someone learn new stuff. And really, since I've been using it now, almost close to 3 weeks now, oh my gosh, it has been easy for me. Easier. Easier. The best, easiest, and easiest ways ever. Hey. You peel off everything. Even the supermarket, they don't use it. Even the supermarket, they don't even use it. They don't use it. I be the cocker. I be learn everything every day. Everything. That's why I said, let me share with you guys. So that if you don't have it, buy it. It will help you. Easier way to remove and to peel the skin of your fish. All the fishes in the river and the mommy waters in the rivers. That's it. That's it. Look at it now. Everything is... The skin has gone away.